Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where tiny habits make your Korean feel real.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 오늘은 공공장소에서 목소리를 낮추는 표현을 배워요.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. 지하철, 엘리베이터, 카페, 대기실에서 바로 쓸 수 있어요.
Here's my panic question. If my friend is talking loudly on the subway, do I just say, 조용히 해요? Or is that too strong?
좋은 질문이에요. 조용히 해요 can sound like a correction, like be quiet. In many public situations, we soften it.
오늘의 핵심은 공공장소에서는 목소리를 낮춰요. In English, in public spaces, we lower our voice.
패턴은 조금만 플러스 주세요. or 주세요. It makes a request softer. Please do it just a little.
So instead of a big command, I can make it smaller with 조금만.
맞아요. The most useful sentence is 목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요. Please lower your voice just a little.
목소리는 voice. marks it as the thing affected. 낮추다 means to lower. 낮춰주세요 means please lower it.
목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요.
좋아요. Notice the rhythm. 목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요. The soft feeling comes from both word choice and tone.
Now listen to a subway example. The request is short, soft, and quiet. 여기 지하철이에요.
맞아요. 목소리를 조금만 낮출게요.
I noticed Hannah didn't say you are bad. She just named the place. 여기 지하철이에요.
Right. In Korean, naming the situation can be a gentle hint. 여기 지하철이에요 can mean, remember, we are on the subway.
In an elevator, we can say 엘리베이터에서는 조용히 말해요. In the elevator, we speak quietly.
엘리베이터에서는 조용히 말해요. That sounds like a general rule, not scolding one person.
Exactly. The particle 에서는 sets the place as the topic. In English, as for in the elevator. Natural translation, in the elevator.
For a cafe, the habit is similar. 카페에서는 작게 말해요. In a cafe, we speak in a low voice.
작게 말해요 is literally speak small, like speak softly.
네. 작게 말해요 is natural. You can also say 조용히 말해요. Speak quietly.
In a waiting room, a very considerate sentence is 통화는 밖에서 할게요. I'll take the call outside.
That one is helpful. Instead of asking everyone to deal with me, I move the call outside.
할게요 means I will do it, often with consideration. 통화는 밖에서 할게요 sounds responsible and polite.
Let's unpack the softness. First, 조용히 해주세요 is polite grammar, but it can still feel direct.
So polite grammar does not always mean soft feeling.
맞아요. Add 조금만 or name the place. 목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요. is softer than 조용히 해주세요.
Try after me. 목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요.
목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요.
좋아요. One small pronunciation note. 낮추 is written with 지읒, but it links into 초. Natural sound is close to 낮춰.
So I should read the Hangul, 낮춰, but not stretch it like 낮춰.
맞아요. Now try a softer self-correction. 죄송해요. 조금 크게 말했네요. Sorry, I was speaking a little loudly.
죄송해요. 조금 크게 말했네요.
말했네요 gives a noticing feeling. I see I was speaking loudly. It is a good repair phrase.
Common mistake time. English speakers often translate be quiet too directly as 조용히 해요 to friends, staff, or strangers.
So if I say, 조용히 해요, to a stranger in a waiting room, it might sound like I'm policing them.
Yes. A softer stranger request is 죄송하지만 목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요. Sorry, but please lower your voice just a little.
For someone close to you, you can be shorter. 조금만 작게 말하자. Let's speak a little more softly.
Ah, 말하자 is let's speak. So it includes me. Less blame.
Exactly. With close people, 우리 조금만 작게 말하자 also sounds natural. Let's lower our volume a bit.
Let's hear a short cafe dialogue. Notice. Gentle reminder, apology, and repair. 우리 조금만 작게 말하자.
아, 미안해요. 조금 크게 말했네요.
괜찮아요. 카페에서는 작게 말하면 좋아요.
That felt much kinder than be quiet. It makes the shared space the reason.
퀴즈입니다. You're in a clinic waiting room. Your phone rings. Which sentence is the most considerate thing to say before taking the call?
I'm choosing A. 통화는 밖에서 할게요. Because I'm moving the noisy thing outside.
정답은 A예요. 통화는 밖에서 할게요 means I'll take the call outside. It solves the problem without blaming anyone.
B says you will speak loudly here, so it is not considerate. C may sound like you are telling someone else to be quiet.
정리해요. 공공장소에서는 목소리를 낮춰요. In public spaces, lower your voice.
두 번째 핵심입니다. 조금만을 넣으면 부탁이 부드러워져요. In English, 조금만 makes the request feel smaller and softer.
세 번째 핵심입니다. 목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요. This is your soft request when someone's voice is too loud.
네 번째 핵심입니다. 통화는 밖에서 할게요. For phone calls, the most polite move is often to step outside.
My keeper sentence is 목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요. Soft, useful, and not a scolding.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 목소리를 조금만 낮춰주세요.
다음 시간에는 죄송하지만으로 부탁을 더 부드럽게 시작하는 법을 배워요. See you on the next rung.